Hey guys, Jared Wesley here. How you guys doing, live traders? I'm up here in Canada on vacation. I apologize for the background. I'm actually in what we call the engineering room here. Um, but it's where I get the best internet connection because I'm on such a remote island up here in North Canada. I mean, way north of North Bay, Ontario, that the internet here is a little bit spotty. I don't even like to trade on it sometimes. But one of the beauties of being a trader, guys, is you can trade from anywhere in the world that you want to, as long as you have an internet connection. So the Wi-Fi wasn't quite good enough, so I had to plug in back here into the engineering room, which is why you can see the background behind me and all that. You got ladders and all this other stuff. But I'm on a really beautiful island up here in Ontario. Anyway, guys, I wanted to go over this trade on Facebook today. I've been getting a lot of emails and PMs and DMs and comments about this trade. And a lot of people said, wow, I mean, you were really aggressive to take Facebook in the pre-market. I mean, I took this trade about 15, 20 minutes before the market even opened. Okay. Look, one of the things I teach here at Live Traders, and I've been a big proponent of this since I started trading, is using pre-market charts to give you a better idea of what a stock looks like off the open. Okay, so let's, for example, take away the pre-market chart here. Okay, that's what Facebook looks like without a pre-market chart, right? You just see yesterday it was up in the 217 range, and today it's down in the 175 range, right? That's all you see. You see this basically blank space between here and here, okay? But if we add the pre-market, you ready? Right there, add a 24-hour chart and go click. Now what do we see? We see, obviously this was due to earnings, but we see right after the market closed, Facebook tanked, tried to hold, and then tanked again, bounced, and then retested. So this is what I would call a parabolic or a climactic buy setup. Okay, so it tanked. I mean, guys, we're talking 40, 50, $60 here, 20+%. And then it bounced back up. And then today it pulled back into the 170 range. So what you want to notice here is it was already extended down here on tremendous, tremendous volume. And when it bounced back up, okay, it retested the prior low or close to it. It doesn't have to be the exact penny or exact dollar. It has to be in that area where I'm drawing this line. So when it retested that area, I told the chat members in the room, I said, hey guys, I'm going to nibble some Facebook around $170. Now, because it's early and because it's pre-market and because this thing is very volatile and whippy, that I was only going to take a partial position of this. Okay, and in doing so, I did. I only took a half lot of this. So you can see ultimately I made $453.50. Normally I would have made about $900 on this trade. Okay, maybe 1,000. But I took a half position because it was a little more aggressive, and in the pre-market, stocks are a lot whippier. So I got in at the 170 mark, and you can see that down here, 169.975, guys. Okay? You can also see the target area is 180 to 181 area. Why? Because that's the prior pivot high. That's got to be one of your target areas. If you want to shoot for a big move, maybe this area be your first target, and then up here in the 190 area be your second target. But as you guys know from watching me on YouTube, okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, all right, from watching me on YouTube, is that I'm a scalp trader. I like to scalp things, okay? So for me, I got about $7.50 out of this stock. I actually got 2-to-1 on my money because I only risked about 200 bucks on it, and I ended up getting over 400 on it. The problem is I didn't have full risk, but the bigger issue for me is I didn't have an area. I couldn't find an area to add back to this stock. I was trying to add back, but right when the market opened, this thing just took off. It moved up $4 or $5 right before the market opened, then another $4 or $5 right after the market opened. So I feel good about getting $7.50 out of this. I only had 60 shares of it. And again, as always, guys, you can see my account number right there. You can see my account number right here. You can see my closed P&L. You can see it down here. And by the way, guys, down here, I made $621.97 today. Okay, why? I took a couple other trades, all right? And here, real quickly, you can see those. I'll pull this up. I took a trade on Apple. Small shares, made 30 cents on it, scalp trade. And then Mondelez, MDLZ, pretty much break even. I lost a penny on this thing. I think I lost $9 or something like that, all right? So that was my trading day today. But most of my trading day, most of my profits were made in Facebook today. But I just wanted you guys to see that this was a climactic buy setup with a retest pattern at 170. A lot of you guys are thinking like I'm blindly buying this gap down. You see a huge gap down, you're like, what is he doing? He's just blindly going long. I'm not blindly going long, okay? I'm using the pre-market chart as my guide to get into this stock. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that review on Facebook today, guys. I apologize again. I've had a very busy summer. I travel a lot, so I'm trying to do these 3 or 4 days a week. But I've been traveling quite a bit. And Monday I'll be in New Jersey, and then Tuesday I'll be back in Pennsylvania, and then Thursday I'll be back in Arizona. And then things are going to settle down for a little bit. So please keep watching my videos, guys. I hope you're enjoying learning from them. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be with you guys, so you can see that, you know what, real money is being made out there in the markets. It's not everybody is a charlatan. Okay, not everybody. A lot of them, but not everybody. So try to hang your hat and stick with people that can back it up and prove it. All right, so Jared Wesley, Live Traders here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review on Facebook. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Take care, guys.